Join Formazione Business School and learn AI today.
How AI can help us to draft any research. And the template is what I just put on the screen. It says, act as academic research advisor. Don't forget, we are using one of our templates to write this first 7 days prompt. Subsequent, we'll use another format. He said, act as an academic research advisor. I am writing an MSc level research paper in field of public health in rural community in Gombe, Nigeria. Help me outline and structure a comprehensive research paper that include a strong introduction with background and problem statement. You can edit this one based on the type of research you want to write. And what we are telling you quickly is, under prompt for productivity, AI can help you for a research paper. Look at it. It has given us the research paper. This is the title page. Assessing Public Health Challenge in Rural Community, a study of Gombe State. You say your name, MSc program. Now, introduction, 1,000 to 1,200 words. The purpose, the structure, background, context, the problem statements. You say, despite numerous health policy and program in Nigeria, rural community in Gombe State experience high level of preventable diseases due to poor access to health services and infrastructure. Significance of the study, to explain why the research matters for public health policy, local government and development agency. Scope of the limitation, define your population study. Tip, research objective. You make it about 300 to 500 questions. Research aim, to evaluate the major public health challenge in rural Gombe and examine factors affecting health service delivery. Research objective. He gave us 4 research objectives: to identify prevalent public health in selected rural area, to assess availability, to employ socioeconomic cultural barrier, and many more, to make recommendations. These are the research objectives. If you use this template, it can assist you. Literature review, he gave us about 2,000, 2,500 words. Quickly, you can see how this can boost your productivity. Look at the structure, the gap, lack of Gombe specific data, under-representation of rural voice, limited evaluation. Methodology, 1,500. Research design is using both mixed method, qualitative and quantitative analysis. Is using mixed method. Research study, population is going to look at the health workers, the women as the selected sample. Data collected is going to use survey, interview, focus group, ethical considerations, data analysis. You're going to use SPSS for us and starter tips. Then expected result of findings, data presentation and tip. Look at how he has assisted us. Discussion and implication, he gave us about 1,500 to 2,500 words. Conclusion and recommendations, you see what he has helped us